All right, for 27, sadly, there are no easy shortcuts. With word problems and writing equations, we just got to get good at it. So let's look at these examples. Alex wants to rent a car for 1 day. The charge is $18 plus 12 cents per mile. So I'm going to try and write this part out. 18 plus, so I'm going to put a plus sign, 12 cents per mile. And he wants to spend $30. So that means I want it to equal $30. Write an equation to represent the situation. So here's my equation. Now, they used x's instead of m's, but that's fine. So this says 18 minus, but that's not right because it said it was a plus. This says 18 plus 12 cents equals 30. That's the one that's going to be right. And then again, this was a minus, so that's not right. And this had the x in the wrong spot. All right, let's look at here. A building contractor buys 525 metal bars. Because he's buying more than 500, the wholesaler gives him a discount of $420. The total price is $3,078. Well, here's a good word. Total means that's what it's got to equal. So I'm going to put that it's going to equal $3,780. Okay. All right. So he's buying 525 metal bars. So 525 bars. Now, if he's giving him a discount, do you think that that's going to add to it or subtract from it? If it's a discount means subtract. So I'm going to subtract $420 because that means he's saving $420. So A is not right because again it has the plus. B is not right because it has they're both negatives in subtracting. C is wrong because it says it's going to add $420 to my bill. D is the one that's right because we're subtracting $420. So if you still miss number 27 after watching the video, I want you to do these 5 problems. You do not have to write down the problem. You can just tell me one is A or B or C or D. Same thing with 2, 3, 4, and 5. So pause it and do number 27. Also, if you missed 27, I want you to try it again. Tell me what you think the correct answer should have been and why you missed it. 28, here's what you need to know. The number with the x squared, this A. The bigger A is, the skinnier the graph will be. The smaller A is, the wider the graph will be. And then C is going to move it either up or down, shift it up or down. And making A negative reflects it across the x-axis. So let's look at these. This is a 1/2, and this is a 1. Well, 1/2 is smaller than 1. So this one's going to be wider. And this one's going to be skinnier. The bigger the A is, the skinnier it is. So this is skinny and this is wide. Now what's different here? This is a -3 and this doesn't have anything. The number at the end shifts it. So if it's at the end, it's going to shift it. Since it's a minus, it's going to shift it down, and it's going to shift it down 3. All right, so again, let's talk about skinny or wide. This is a 1, and this is a 2. So this one would be wider, because 1 is smaller. This one would be skinnier, because 2 is bigger. Also, this has a +4. The number at the end, remember, shifts it. And since it's a plus, it's going to shift it up 4. So if you watch the video and you still miss 28, I want you to try the following 8 problems. Here's the first 4. You do not have to write them down. You can just tell me 1 and if it's A, B, C, or D. 2 if it's A, B, C, or D. So pause it, do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's 5 through 8. Pause it and do 5 through 8. And then I also want you to write down what you think the correct answer should have been and why you missed it.